In the pursuit of personal and spiritual development, individuals often turn to various philosophies and teachings to guide them on their journey. Buddhism, with its rich history and profound insights into the nature of human existence, provides a unique perspective on the path to enlightenment. One aspect of this path involves cultivating qualities that lead to personal growth and harmony. In this video, we will explore 5 things that Buddhism suggests we should avoid, exposing to others, emphasizing the importance of positive transformation. Uncontrolled anger and hostility. Buddhism, with its intricate understanding of the human psyche, places a profound emphasis on the cultivation of compassion and the maintenance of emotional balance. At the core of this teaching lies the recognition that uncontrolled anger and hostility are not merely individual afflictions, but have far-reaching consequences, both for the person experiencing them and for those in their immediate sphere. The Buddha, in his wisdom, highlighted the inherent harm in harboring anger, elucidating that its negative repercussions extend beyond the individual's internal state. When anger is expressed without restraint, it acts as a disruptive force, creating an atmosphere of tension and discord. This disturbance, like ripples in a pond, reverberates not only within the individual, but also permeates their relationships, disrupting the peace that is vital for personal and communal well-being. The practice of mindfulness and meditation within the context of Buddhism serves as a powerful toolkit for individuals seeking to navigate the turbulent waters of anger. Mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the moment, allows practitioners to recognize the arising of anger in its nascent stages. By developing an acute awareness of the emotional landscape, individuals can intercept anger before it spirals out of control. Meditation, another cornerstone of Buddhist practice, provides a space for individuals to delve into the roots of their anger. Through introspection, practitioners can uncover the underlying causes and conditions that give rise to this potent emotion. The transformative power of meditation lies in its ability to reframe the narrative around anger, encouraging individuals to approach it with a compassionate and patient mindset. Addressing the root causes of anger involves a nuanced exploration of one's thought patterns, triggers, and habitual reactions. Buddhism teaches that true emotional regulation goes beyond suppressing anger. It entails understanding and transforming the underlying causes. This process requires patience, both with oneself and with the complexities of the human experience. The cultivation of compassion emerges as a natural antidote to anger within the Buddhist framework. As individuals learn to recognize the shared human experience of suffering, they develop a sense of empathy that extends beyond their personal struggles. This shift in perspective allows for a more compassionate response to challenging situations, replacing hostility with understanding. Buddhism offers a holistic approach to managing anger by addressing its roots, transforming it through mindfulness and meditation, and cultivating compassion as a counterforce. By undertaking this transformative journey, individuals not only liberate themselves from the shackles of uncontrolled anger, but also contribute to the creation of a more positive, harmonious, and peaceful environment for themselves and those around them. Jealousy and envy. Within the intricate tapestry of human emotions, jealousy and envy stand as potent adversaries to inner peace and harmonious relationships. In the realm of Buddhism, these emotions are recognized as formidable obstacles to personal well-being and communal harmony. The teachings of Buddhism offer profound insights into understanding, addressing, and transforming these emotions through the cultivation of sympathetic joy. Jealousy and envy, when left unchecked, have the potential to poison not only our minds but also the very fabric of our relationships. Buddhism, however, serves as a guiding light, urging practitioners to confront and acknowledge these destructive feelings. By doing so, individuals embark on a transformative journey that involves embracing sympathetic joy, a practice centered on rejoicing in the success and happiness of others. The exposure of jealousy and envy is viewed in Buddhism not merely as a personal challenge, but as a collective concern, capable of permeating relationships with an atmosphere of competition and rivalry. The recognition that these emotions are counterproductive to personal growth and communal well-being becomes the first step in the path toward positive change. Mindfulness practices within the Buddhist tradition play a pivotal role in this transformative journey. Through the lens of mindfulness, individuals gain the ability to observe and understand the arising of jealousy and envy in their minds. This heightened awareness serves as a powerful tool, allowing practitioners to intercept these emotions before they take root and cause harm. Furthermore, the development of loving kindness becomes a cornerstone in overcoming the destructive nature of jealousy. Loving kindness meditation involves extending feelings of love and goodwill not only to oneself, but also to others, including those who may be the objects of envy. This practice serves to soften the edges of jealousy, fostering a mindset of compassion and interconnectedness. Gratitude becomes a potent antidote to jealousy within the Buddhist framework. By focusing on the abundance in one's own life and expressing genuine appreciation for the accomplishments of others, practitioners shift their perspective from scarcity to abundance. This shift in mindset allows for the cultivation of a sense of interconnectedness and mutual support, eroding the foundations of jealousy and envy. Celebrating the success of others becomes not only an external expression of sympathetic joy, but an internal shift in consciousness. Practitioners learn to find joy in the happiness and achievements of others, recognizing that the interconnected web of existence is enriched when each individual thrives. This shift transforms relationships from arenas of competition to spaces of mutual encouragement and support. Buddhism provides a comprehensive framework for navigating the treacherous terrain of jealousy and envy. By acknowledging these emotions, practicing mindfulness, and cultivating loving kindness and gratitude, individuals embark on a transformative journey toward the cultivation of sympathetic joy. In doing so, they not only free themselves from the shackles of destructive emotions, but actively contribute to the creation of a more compassionate, harmonious, and interconnected world. Self-centeredness and egoism. At the heart of Buddhist philosophy lies the profound recognition that the root cause of suffering is attachment, a phenomenon often fueled by self-centeredness and egoism. These qualities, when left unexamined and unchecked, not only create barriers in relationships, but also act as formidable obstacles to personal growth. In the rich tapestry of Buddhist teachings, the concept of anatta, or non-self, emerges as a transformative paradigm challenging the deeply ingrained illusion of a permanent, separate self. The exposure of self-centeredness and egoism within the Buddhist context is not a mere acknowledgement of personal shortcomings, but a call to transcend these limiting qualities. Recognizing that these tendencies hinder both individual well-being and the cultivation of harmonious relationships, Buddhism propels practitioners towards a journey of self-discovery and transformation. The concept of anatta challenges the notion of a fixed, unchanging self, an illusion deeply ingrained in the human psyche. Buddhism asserts that clinging to this illusion perpetuates suffering by fostering attachment and reinforcing the barriers that separate individuals from one another. The antidote, then, lies in transcending ego-driven behaviors and embracing the liberating perspective of non-self. Practicing selflessness becomes a cornerstone of the transformative journey advocated by Buddhism. By intentionally moving beyond the confines of ego, individuals free themselves from the limitations imposed by self-centeredness. This process involves a profound shift in mindset, where the focus shifts from individual desires and concerns to a broader, more inclusive perspective that encompasses the well-being of others. Cultivating a sense of interconnectedness emerges as a powerful means to break free from the shackles of ego. The understanding that all beings are interconnected and interdependent challenges the narrow confines of self-interest. In embracing this interconnected web of existence, individuals contribute to the flourishing of a more compassionate and harmonious society. Meditation and mindfulness, integral components of Buddhist practice, play crucial roles in unraveling the layers of self-centeredness. Through mindfulness, individuals develop a heightened awareness of their thoughts, emotions, and habitual patterns. This awareness serves as a mirror, reflecting the intricacies of the ego and providing a platform for introspection. Meditation serves as a transformative tool to go beyond surface-level understanding. By delving into the depths of the mind, individuals can explore the root causes of self-centeredness and egoism. The meditative journey allows for a direct encounter with these aspects, fostering a profound shift in perspective and providing a pathway to liberation from the constraints of the ego. Buddhism offers a comprehensive roadmap for individuals seeking to navigate the challenging terrain of self-centeredness and egoism. The teachings guide practitioners towards the transformative practices of selflessness and interconnectedness, supported by the powerful tools of meditation and mindfulness. By unraveling the layers of ego-driven behaviors, individuals not only break free from the limitations of self-centeredness, but actively contribute to the creation of a more compassionate, harmonious, and interconnected society. Greed and materialism. In the pervasive landscape of a consumer-driven world, Buddhism provides profound insights into the detrimental effects of unchecked greed and materialism. The teachings not only illuminate the personal suffering caused by an insatiable desire for wealth and possessions, but also shed light on the broader societal consequences, including the perpetuation of inequality and environmental degradation. The exposure of greed and materialism within the Buddhist context is not a mere condemnation of desire, but a call to examine the quality and nature of these desires. Buddhism acknowledges the human propensity for craving and attachment, recognizing that when these tendencies spiral into unchecked greed, they become sources of profound suffering. Consumerism, driven by an unquenchable thirst for more, often results in personal discontent and a perpetual cycle of longing. Buddhism, however, advocates for a paradigm shift toward contentment and moderation. The teachings emphasize the ephemeral nature of material possessions, challenging individuals to reevaluate the true sources of happiness and fulfillment. Recognizing the impermanence of material possessions becomes a transformative lens through which individuals can approach their relationship with the material world. The ephemeral nature of possessions, according to Buddhist teachings, underscores the futility of seeking lasting happiness through accumulation. This realization invites individuals to shift their focus from amassing material wealth to cultivating inner richness and contentment. The practice of generosity, known as dana in Buddhism, becomes a pivotal aspect of the transformative journey away from greed. By cultivating a spirit of giving without attachment, individuals break free from the grip of acquisitiveness. Generosity is not merely a charitable act, but a means of loosening the chains of possessiveness and fostering a sense of interconnectedness and shared well-being. Detachment, another core principle in Buddhist teachings, encourages individuals to maintain a healthy relationship with material possessions. It does not advocate for the renunciation of possessions, but rather emphasizes the importance of holding them lightly. Detachment involves acknowledging the impermanence of material wealth and recognizing that true well-being lies beyond the confines of possessions. Practicing contentment, moderation, generosity, and detachment collectively contribute to breaking the cycle of greed and materialism. The transformative journey involves a conscious reevaluation of one's relationship with possessions, guided by the principles of impermanence and interconnectedness. On a broader scale, Buddhism's teachings on greed extend beyond the individual realm to address societal issues. The unchecked pursuit of material wealth often contributes to social inequality and environmental degradation. By adopting a more mindful and sustainable approach to consumption, individuals can actively contribute to a more equitable and environmentally conscious world. Buddhism offers a holistic framework for individuals seeking to navigate the pitfalls of greed and materialism. By practicing contentment, moderation, generosity, and detachment, individuals not only liberate themselves from the clutches of insatiable desire, but also actively contribute to the creation of a more sustainable, equitable, and harmonious world. The teachings invite individuals to reconsider the true sources of happiness and fulfillment, emphasizing that genuine well-being transcends the accumulation of material possessions. Negative speech and gossip. In the intricate tapestry of Buddhist teachings, the power of speech emerges as a recurring and pivotal theme. The recognition that speech holds the potential for both profound healing and lasting harm underscores the importance of cultivating mindfulness and ethical communication. Harmful speech, encompassing gossip, slander, and verbal aggression, is acknowledged as a significant source of damage to relationships and personal well-being within the Buddhist framework. The exposure of negative speech in Buddhism extends beyond mere prohibition. It serves as an invitation to explore the transformative potential of right speech. Right speech, a fundamental aspect of the Noble Eightfold Path, involves the practice of speaking truthfully, kindly, and with mindfulness. This ethical guideline not only provides a moral compass but also serves as a powerful tool for creating a positive and harmonious social environment. Harmful speech, such as gossip and verbal aggression, has far-reaching consequences, not only for the person on the receiving end, but also for the speaker. Buddhism teaches that engaging in negative speech reflects poorly on the speaker, as it exposes the unskillful aspects of their mind. Furthermore, the ripple effect of such speech contributes to a toxic social environment, creating disharmony and eroding the foundations of trust and understanding. The transformative journey encouraged by Buddhism involves cultivating awareness of our words and their impact. Mindfulness, a central tenet of Buddhist practice, enables individuals to observe their speech patterns, recognizing when communication is veering into harmful territory. This heightened awareness serves as a crucial first step in the process of transformation, allowing individuals to intercept negative speech before it causes damage. Practicing right speech goes beyond the avoidance of harmful words. It encompasses the intentional cultivation of a language that is both truthful and compassionate. Speaking truthfully involves aligning our words with reality and avoiding deception and exaggeration. Simultaneously, speaking kindly emphasizes the importance of compassion and empathy in our communication, ensuring that our words uplift rather than harm. The mindful use of language extends to the broader context of understanding the impact of our words on others. Buddhism encourages individuals to consider the potential consequences of their speech, fostering a sense of responsibility for the energy they bring into their social interactions. This mindfulness creates a culture of understanding and empathy, laying the groundwork for harmonious relationships. Buddhism offers a nuanced approach to the power of speech, recognizing its potential for both harm and healing. By exposing negative speech and gossip, practitioners are prompted to embark on a transformative journey of cultivating the right speech. This journey involves the intentional use of language that is truthful, kind, and mindful, contributing not only to personal well-being, but also to the creation of a culture of understanding, empathy, and harmony. The teachings underscore the profound impact of speech on the individual and the social environment, emphasizing the potential for positive change through ethical communication. Incorporating Buddhist principles into our lives involves a continuous process of self-reflection and transformation. The 5 things mentioned, uncontrolled anger, jealousy, self-centeredness, greed, and negative speech, are obstacles on the path to enlightenment. By recognizing and addressing these qualities, individuals can cultivate a more compassionate and harmonious way of living. The journey towards positive change is not only a personal endeavor, but also a contribution to the well-being of the broader community, aligning with the core principles of Buddhism.